Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth for ramen. First, understand that great ramen broth has two main components, a flavorful dashi base and a concentrated seasoning called tare. We'll start by building a robust dashi, which is crucial for that authentic umami taste. Then, we'll explore how to add richness and depth with other ingredients before finishing with the perfect tare. To make your dashi, begin by steeping about 10 grams of kombu in 1 liter of cold water for at least 30 minutes. Slowly heat this mixture, but remove the kombu just before it boils to prevent bitterness. Once the kombu is out, add about 15 grams of bonito flakes. Simmer for only 30 seconds, then immediately strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve. This quick process ensures a clean, delicate flavor. Now, to build a richer broth, you can add pork or chicken bones to your dashi. Simmer these bones for 6 to 12 hours, depending on the desired richness. Incorporate aromatics such as 2 inches of sliced ginger and 3 cloves of crushed garlic during the simmering process. Remember to regularly skim any foam that rises to the surface. This step is crucial for achieving a beautifully clear and clean broth. Finally, let's talk about tare, which is the concentrated seasoning that gives your ramen its signature flavor. A simple tare can be made by combining 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix your tare into the hot broth just before serving. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below. And for all your reading needs, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.